Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep beneath the ocean's surface to explore one of the most fascinating secrets of marine life's symbiotic relationships. The ocean may look like a world of predators and prey, but in reality, survival often depends on cooperation. From glowing squid to coral reefs visible from space, the sea is full of partnerships that make life possible. So get ready, because today we're exploring symbiotic marine life, how ocean partnerships shape underwater survival. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What is symbiosis? Symbiosis is a close relationship between two different species living together. There are three main types. 1. Mutualism, both species benefit. 2. Commensalism, one benefits, the other is unaffected. 3. Parasitism, one benefits while the other is harmed in the ocean. All three exist, but many of the most beautiful marine ecosystems rely on mutual cooperation. Chapter 2. Coral and zooxanthella, the architects of reef zone. Of the most important symbiotic relationships on Earth exists between coral and microscopic algae called zooxanthella. Coral reefs, including the world-famous Great Barrier Reef, are built by tiny animals called coral polyps. Inside their tissues live millions of algae. Here's how the partnership works. The algae use sunlight to produce food through photosynthesis. They share nutrients with the coral. The coral provides shelter and carbon dioxide. This mutualism allows coral reefs to grow in nutrient-poor tropical waters, but when ocean temperatures rise, corals expel the algae. This causes coral bleaching, a major threat to marine ecosystems. Without this partnership, coral reefs cannot survive. Chapter 3. Clownfish and sea anemones, a perfect team. This relationship became famous through the movie Finding Nemo. Sea anemones have venomous tentacles that can sting most fish, but clownfish have a protective mucus layer that prevents them from being harmed. In return, clownfish clean debris from the anemone. They chase away predators. They provide nutrients. Both species benefit, a classic example of mutualism. Chapter 4. Sharks and remoras. Ocean Hichikermus maris attach themselves to sharks using a suction disc on their heads. This is usually considered commensalism. The remora gains transportation protection, leftover food. The shark is mostly unaffected. It's like getting a free ride across the ocean highways. Chapter 5. Cleaner fish and large predators in coral reefs. Special areas act as cleaning stations. Small fish called cleaner wrasse remove parasites from larger fish. Even dangerous predators like moray eels and groupers remain still during cleaning. The benefits: cleaner fish get food, larger fish stay healthy. This relationship shows remarkable trust in the wild. Chapter 6. Hermit crabs and sea anemone. Hermit crabs sometimes attach sea anemones to their shells. Why? The crab gains protection from predators due to the anemone's stinging tentacles. The anemone gains mobility and access to food scraps. It's portable protection. Chapter 7. Sea turtles and barnacles. Barnacles often attach themselves to sea turtles. This is commensalism. The barnacles gain transportation access to food-rich waters. Turtle is usually unaffected, although heavy barnacle growth can create drag. Chapter 8. The Hawaiian bobtail squid and bioluminescent bacteria. One of the most amazing partnerships occurs between the Hawaiian bobtail squid and glowing bacteria. The squid houses the bacteria inside a special light organ. At night, the bacteria produce light that matches moonlight shining down from above. This hides the squid's shadow from predators below, a strategy called counter-illumination. Both benefit. The squid gets camouflage. The bacteria receive food and shelter. Nature's invisibility system. Chapter 9. Whales and barnacles. Whales traveling through the Pacific Ocean often carry barnacles on their skin. The barnacles benefit from movement through plankton-rich waters. The whale is mostly unaffected. Sometimes entire ecosystems travel with a single whale. Chapter 10. Why symbiosis is important. Symbiotic relationships support coral reef ecosystems, increase survival rates, maintain biodiversity, strengthen food webs. Coral reefs alone support nearly 25% of marine species, largely because of symbiosis. Without cooperation, marine ecosystems would collapse. Chapter 11. Threats to marine symbiosis. Climate change, ocean warming, pollution, overfishing. When one partner disappears, the relationship fails. Coral bleaching events have severely impacted reefs near Australia and across the globe. Organizations like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration monitor ocean health and reef systems to track these changes. The future of marine symbiosis depends on global conservation efforts. Chapter 12, Evolution and Cooperation. Some scientists believe symbiosis played a major role in evolution. Even human cells contain mitochondria, once free-living bacteria that formed permanent partnerships inside cells. Life itself may have evolved through cooperation. The ocean teaches us that survival isn't always about dominance. Sometimes it's about partnership. Close ocean is a world of balance. Tiny algae build giant reefs. Small fish protect powerful predators. Glowing bacteria hide squid in darkness. Symbiotic marine life proves that cooperation can be just as powerful as strength. If you enjoyed this deep dive into underwater partnerships, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments which marine partnership amazed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders beneath the waves.